Bricksters, and welcome back. Today marks an exciting day. I got lots of things on the go here. The most exciting thing is I bought my first piece of studio equipment off Amazon. Now, I'm in no way sponsored by these people. I just thought it was a good deal. But today I went out and got the UBZ's tripod so I can take better quality videos to give you guys better quality videos, because I know you love them. And the best part about this is it comes with a Bluetooth remote, so I can start and stop from a distance, so I don't have to fight with my phone while I'm making videos. What I'm currently using is a stick-bought tripod from a kid's set. So this is exciting. That's gonna be awesome. Set it up like this. You can clamp up like that, so I can have a good overhead. This is the Bluetooth remote it comes with. Here's the current tripod I was using. Big difference. Yeah, that's gonna be awesome. Now that I got my new tripod all set up, let me discuss the build I'm gonna do today. Today I'm gonna build, since it is our 25 episode celebration, I'm gonna build Lego Movie 2, Ultra Caddy, and Warrior Lucy. 348 pieces. Without further ado, let's get into it.
I can't think nothing better than spending my day with you. My life's sunny and better, girl, when I'm with you. She illuminates so bright like a star in the skylines. She got the looks, the good, oh boy, I need her so bad in my life. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. 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 Feel better if I save the songs for you. When you feel down and bitter, shawty, I'll be there for you. We'll be like Bonnie and Clyde, how we everybody else, you and me against the world, girl. You'll be my B, I'll be your J, yeah. We'll be so dangerous in love, girl. Shawty, where you wanna go, 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 go? London, Paris, Tokyo, oh, shawty, we could go. Don't need no luggage, nah, 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 nah. Don't need no stress, girl, nah, 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 nah. Just me and you sounds alright, girl. I want nobody but you. I want nobody but you.
So yeah, that was overall a pretty good build. Just to recap, I'll show you. It's got lots of movability in the head, so you can move around, look around. Lots of movability in the legs, which kind of, in my opinion, makes it's fun to play with, but you know, sometimes it's hard to get it to stand in the desired positions you want it. But yeah, like, no complaints. I had a difficulty with the legs, getting them together, because it was a little bit frustrating when you went to snap them on these pieces would like fall apart and have to redo them. But overall, really good build. I like this character, little Duplo alien. Oh, cool! You can. I didn't realize that you can move on the back. It's got a thing you can move his eye around. I'm looking at you. And then everyone's beloved character, Emmett. Really enjoyed that build with its minor complications, but until next time, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and hit the bell. And good luck with your adventures, whatever they may be.